What's up, guys? I actually wanted to record this video a few weeks ago before my channel hit 30,000 subscribers. I forgot about it, I missed it, way too busy. So here I am today, and I want to thank everyone for helping me to reach 30,000 subscribers on YouTube. Sure, it's not 200,000 subscribers, it's not 500,000, it's not 1,000,000 subscribers, not even 100,000 subscribers. But I feel very proud of this number, this achievement that I managed to get for my channel, considering that I am very choosy about what I vape and what I review, and I actually reject a lot of the products that are sent to me because I want to stick to a certain type of products, flavor chasing stuff only for this channel. So I have to really ignore a lot of the popular mass market stuff, which actually is way better to get subscribers. I mean, one of my most watched videos is the Smoke TF-V12 Prince, which I get tons of comments on it. It's a mass market tank, it's a mass market unregulated mod. It's kit with a tank, TF-V12 Prince tank. And I spent like a total of maybe a few hours just reviewing it, testing it. It's very straightforward stuff, and just the video was so short, maybe about 9 minutes, that's all. And that video has got about 200,000 views to date. So yeah, ignoring a lot of the mass market stuff does mean that I get much fewer subscribers, but it also means that I'm way much happier. I decided long ago that I don't want to review the same stuff that everyone else is reviewing, because first of all, it takes much longer for me to receive it. Believe it or not, most of the companies, this Smoke, Joytech or whatever it is, it's actually, if you're in the US, they actually can ship faster to you, right? Because they have operations in the US, etc. So those US reviewers, UK reviewers always get stuff faster than I do. This is a fact. And how much faster? Well, sometimes a week, sometimes 2 weeks faster. Depends on, of course, if the company wants to sell via DHL. If they send via DHL, there's really not much difference, maybe 2 or 3 days. But otherwise, it's 2-week gap. So by the time I actually receive those products, those reviews have been out for about 2 weeks or 3 weeks, sometimes even longer. And so that's why I don't want to review all the mass market products that have a very short attention span. You know, by the time I get those products, 3 weeks from the time it's launched, nobody's really interested in any reviews anymore. So that's worked out well so far for me. I review stuff like flavor chasing stuff, tanks, RDAs, squonking stuff that I like. Most of them I buy myself. I don't know why some people claim in the description box, in the comment section, that I get stuff for free. About 90% of the stuff I actually buy myself. So I buy the stuff that I like and I review the stuff that I like. And it's been really great so far. Although the channel will not grow that much. I mean, you take a look at any other high-end flavor chasing type of channel, it's always lesser subscribers compared to the cloud chasing, cloud chucking channels. I tried that, the cloud chucking, cloud chasing setup. Cloud chasing, yep, I chased the clouds. I managed to catch the cloud, and then it all just seemed pointless. So anyway, thank you very much for helping me reach 30,000 subscribers, and my blog, my website has been growing as well. And I want to give some shout outs, and I don't want to miss out people, but just in case I miss out your name, don't be offended, right? I didn't actually write this down, it's just from the top of my head. So the first shout out will go out to Mr. KY Gun. KY Gun, I actually met this guy not too long ago. He's actually only been vaping for about a year and a half, I think. And he wanted to buy one of my stuff, one of my mods from me. He came to my office. We had a nice chat. I think we really hit it off very well from the start. More on the same wavelength. And he's really gotten into vaping, especially squonking. He has a whole huge collection. And he's always been a supporter, always willing to buy the DIY mods that I make or stuff that I try. And always helping me to get information, etc. So big shout out to Mr. KY Gun. Another shout out to Lee Morris, who also supported me and one of the first few members of my group actually. And he's also been very generous in buying the DIY stuff that I made here, and the panels, the doors, the stabwood doors, etc. He's bought a few of them, and I really appreciate the support. Next goes out to Mr. Kamran Yusuf Khan. Also helped me to figure out the high-end vaping scene quite a lot, and lots of useful information as well that I get from Kamran. And shout out to Rob C. Evans from the Philippines. Alafami Nasir, I think there's no I, N-E-S-R, Nasir, Alafami Nasir, Ludovic Lefranc, Mr. Dave Loiterstein, Radek Kravokiat, I think also buys a lot of my stuff, used stuff, which really helped me a lot, because a lot of stuff I review, after I review it, I don't know what to do with them. It's kind of a waste to just throw them away. So yeah, he's been buying a lot of my used stuff as well at very good price, but nevertheless, thank you for the support. Mr. William Greybeard, not his real name of course, but Mr. William Greybeard, also from the group, who really helped me to learn a lot about the DIY stuff that I'm doing. And that guy, he has a massive woodworking workshop that I really want to have one day. Mr. Charlie Altman, Rahul RK, Israel Othman, Eric John Manalase, Jack Laporte, John Fabrigar, Nathan Rixam, Norman Iskandar, and actually a whole lot more people from the group who have been very helpful, and to my subscribers as well. And special thanks also to George Sablayan from Proteus Projects. Also helped me to learn a lot about the insider stuff about the high-end vaping community, and just about everyone else on my Facebook, on my Facebook group, my Facebook friends, and on Instagram as well. I just can't mention everyone, but I really like to thank you a lot for helping me to reach 30,000 subscribers. Now, what is the future for this channel? Well, I'll keep on going with the reviews for squonking, and also for flavor chasing, building, DIY, etc. Those are the few videos that I can do actually better than most other people, and then I don't have to rush to do them, because I know a lot of reviewers actually get the product and the reviews out within 2 or 3 days. And I just can't do that. It's just way too much rush for me, because I just do this part-time. So I want to take my time. I want to enjoy making my videos. I told myself a long time ago, if this ended up becoming like another job, then I probably wouldn't want to do it anymore. And for a while, it did seem like it became another job. I'm just rushing to open up the vape mail that I get, and test stuff out, review stuff out, and I don't even like the products. I mean, it's not that they're bad products, it's just that it's not my taste. And then record the video and publish the video, and it did seem at one point of time like it was just too much of a hassle. So I really had to stop and slow down and really focus on the stuff that I want. Now, as for squonking, I was one of the earliest channels to focus a lot on squonking, other than Mr. Todd from Todd's Reviews. But I think I've done almost as much videos on squonking as he did, at least recently. But nowadays there's a whole lot of products for squonking, like really lots and lots of RDAs and mods, accessories, etc. So even for squonking, I have to really be picky on what I want to review. If it's a product that's more or less the same as other stuff that I reviewed before, I'm just not going to review it, because I just don't have enough time. If you notice in my channel, I have about maybe 1 or 2 videos up a week. And that's really it. That's really the best I can do. Maybe 3 videos. I've seen some reviewers pushing up 2 videos per day, 1 video every day, and they have a live show going on as well. I just can't cope with that. So I'm happy with 30,000 subscribers. The most important thing is that I get good quality subscribers. Now, I do have a plan in by next year to actually make my own mods. So I will let you know when the time is right, but I think I've about 60% there, 70% there. I've made my own stabwood doors and buttons. I know how to solder my own mods, and I've actually built quite a few mods. I think about 20 to 30 different mods for the members of the group, and I actually and they actually bought them from me. But yeah, next year, so 2019, so there's still some time to go. I just have to figure out what design I want to do and what type of mod or RDA or whatever it is that I want to come up with. It most probably will not be a squonking related stuff, because like I said, there's way too much stuff in squonking. Unless I can think of something different, which is also very hard because everything has been done. MOSFET, DNA, MAC, so many variations out there. So I may go with a regular non-squonking setup when I actually start to make my own mods. But I do dabble a little bit in making squonk doors and buttons and drip tips like Juma drip tips, etc. So yeah, check out my website geekayvapes.com. That's where I'll be selling them at the moment. Alright, giveaways. I have not done much giveaways because giveaways also take up time. But I have lots of stuff on my desk. I've never got to reviewing. Simply, I tell the companies that to let me know what they are sending, because if they just send some stuff, I may not review it. And there are a few products that I just didn't review, but they're all brand new. And so why not? Let's do a giveaway on this channel to celebrate 30,000 subscribers. So all you have to do to participate in the giveaway is to comment 30K, 30K, right? And those are the entries. And I will randomize maybe after I reach about 100 so comment, and I'll publish the results on Facebook. Now the winners will have to pay the shipping fee. Shipping fee could be from $5 to $8, depends on the item, because some are heavier, some are lighter. So the first one I have is the Wismac Active. Now this thing is a Bluetooth speaker and a vape mod. I've never even opened this up, as you can see, but I sort of understand what it is. It's a Bluetooth speaker and a vape mod. One of those hybrid devices, right? So I never got to actually reviewing it, but yeah, you can check out reviews, and this will be the first thing out for review for the giveaway. Wismac Active, brand new. The color is I don't know. Should be black, I guess, exactly like what you see here. Now the second item for giveaway will be the Vapefly Wormhole RDA. Also never got around to reviewing it. I think it's way too late in the game right now to review this. So this should be out for giveaway. And the third one here will be the Wotofo Flux box mod, which is a collaboration with Rig Mod. It's actually a kit. It has a mod and a tank as well with coils. And this is the white version. And I also have the black edition, so there'll be two of these to win. So all you have to do to participate in the giveaway is to comment 30K in the comment section below. And for those of you who are watching my videos for a long time and never subscribe, please do subscribe. It's not that scary. Nothing bad is going to happen to you if you hit the subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, do also hit the bell icon for notifications, so you get notified whenever I upload a video, which is not that often, which is not like 5 videos every day, so you're not going to get annoyed by my uploads. Maybe 2 or 3, maybe 2 videos a week. Now the one thing that I have been thinking for a long time is to do live shows and live videos. I will do it. I will do it soon. Pretty soon I'll start doing it. I wanted it to be like perfect with the best camera setup and switching between the FaceTime camera and, you know, to do some sort of live review. Nah, that's just a bit too complicated at the moment, for me at least. But to do a simple live video just using YouTube, no problem at all. I have my webcam and I have my audio, everything set up here. And I've done, I think, a live on Facebook before. So yeah, live vlogs, let's call it live vlogs. And I'll be taking some comments, and I hope to actually meet you guys on YouTube. That's all for this video. Thank you again for subscribing and helping me reach 30,000 subscribers. Wokie dokie, no more smoky.